हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम ऑफ दिस वीडियो। सो इन प्लांट किंगडम पिछले लेसन में टेरिडोफाइट्स के फंडामेंटल्स के बारे में पढ़े थे। सो लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइज इट। टेरिडोफाइट्स इंक्लूड horsetail and ferns. They have a vascular system and the body of pteridophytes is well defined into true roots, leaves and a stem. Then after we talked about macrophyls and microphyls, and its plant's body is a sporophyte in which sporangia came, and it is surrounded by sporophylls, which is also known as strobili and cones, and which spores are produced through meiosis, and this meiosis happens in mother cell. After meiosis, spores are formed. Then after spores are germinated, and here spores are haploid, and sporophyte and sporangia are diploid. स्पोर जो था वो हैप्लॉइड बना थ्रू meiosis. Now spores are germinated and free living in conspicuous body formed, which is called prothallus, and antheridia and archegonia formed. Antheridia means male gamete will form, and it will fertilized with female gamete and form zygote, and this zygote again develop and form sporophyte, and sporangia will come again, sporophylls come again, and prothallus will form, and the last zygote again came and formed a sporophyte, and this way process is repeat. सो यहाँ तक पिछले लेसन में देखा था कि सारे प्रोसेसेस कैसे होते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड अहेड. They are general homospores, means male and female gamete are similar in size, but in the few cases they are heterosporous in the case of Selaginella and Salvinia. Next is heterosporous is the key feature of higher organisms, which is the important one, so you have to remember it, right? Like in the case of human, we are having a large spherical female gamete which is totally different from the male gamete sperm, right? So in similar way, in the case of angiosperm, means ki pollen grain and embryo sac is totally different. Okay. So next is megaspore and microspores germinate and give rise to the female and male gametophyte respectively. The female gametophyte in these plants are retained on the parent sporophyte for variable period, means megaspore is the female and microspore is the male gamete, which will germinate and give rise to female and male gametophyte respectively. And remember कि fertilization is happening in female body, and the female gametophyte in these plants are retained on the parent sporophyte for variable period. Okay. Now development of the zygote within female gametophyte, means ki fertilization within female body. So this particular thing is said to be origin of seed habit. Now what is seed habit? You have seen in the case of angiosperm, they have seeds inside the ovary in the ovule and form seeds. So all this is happening inside the flower, and this particular thing is seed habit. Now coming to this general case of pteridophyte, cycle of pteridophytes. So there is a sporophytic generation and gametophytic generation. Through color difference, you can easily differentiate the sporophytic generation and gametophytic generation. So let's see how things are going to happen. There is a sporophyte that is having a sporophylls and diploid, haploid is mentioned over here, and sporangia again 2n means ki spore mother cell they are having, and in a spore mother cell meiosis will happen and forms spore which is haploid and form prothallus which is a gametophyte independent of a sporophyte, right, which is the important one, and in which it is of two types, Antheridia and Archegonia, which is gametophytic generation. Antheridia will form antherozoites and Archegonia will form egg. These antherozoites and egg will fuse together and form zygote, and this zygote will form embryo, and embryo form sporophyte, and that is the things goes on. And I hope you are clear about this cycle, and if you are not, then please without hesitating, without any tension, just ask your question in the comment box, okay? The more you ask, the more you will be clear, okay? And that is how we end up pteridophyte. And thank you so much for supporting me. And one more thing guys, कि if you are enjoying this course, अगर सब कुछ अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है तो काहे सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो चैनल को? इतने लोग तो देखते हैं रोज़ रोज़, तो जल्दी से जाइए सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें फॉर नोटिफिकेशन, और वीडियो को भी शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड दैट्स हाउ दिस विल बी बिकम वेरी परफेक्ट। थोड़ी सी तो मेहनत लगेगी, थोड़ी मेहनत कर दिया करो यार, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने में क्या जा रहा है आपका। सो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी। टाटा बाय बाय।